A curve is defined by the equation 9x squared minus 6xy plus 4y squared equals 3. Find the coordinates of the two stationary points of this curve. So let's have a look at this then. Two stationary points of this curve. So let's differentiate then with respect to x. Here this term is an implicit function. This term is just a normal power. So the 2 comes down to be with the 9 to make 18x to the 1 less, which is 1, minus. Now here I've got minus 6x times y. I'll tag the minus with the first term, and it's a product, so it's u times dv, which is dy dx, plus v, which is y, times du dx, which is minus 6x. So that's minus 6, that differentiates to, plus function of function rule here, something squared is 8 times the something multiplied by the something differentiated, equals, and the constant differentiates to 0. That tells us then dy dx, collect these terms, we've got 8y here, and we've got minus 6x there, equals, and move this 18x over and this minus 6y over to plus 6y, and move the 18x over as well, minus 18x. So that tells us then dy dx is equal to, it's 6y minus 18x over 8y minus 6x. Now there's a 2 common top and bottom, so divide by 2 on the top, 3y minus 9x over 4y minus 3x. Okay, that's what we've got then. Okay, so that's question 6. And we've got dy dx equals. Find the coordinates of the two stationary points on this curve. So let's have a look at this then. Here, 3y minus 9x over 4y minus 3x equals 0 implies, well, the numerator then is 3y minus 9x equals 0. So in other words, y equals, so there's a 3 common, so divide by 3 in both terms. Y minus 3x, and move the 3x over. So it's easy to see that y equals 3x. Let's put that in the equation then and see what solutions we get. So I'm going to copy this formula, this equation here, and move it down, and we're going to substitute in y equals 3x. Y equals 3x then gives, let's have a look at it. So 9x squared minus 6x times y, which is 3x, plus 4 times y squared, which is 3x squared. I'll put it in long-windedly, equals 3. So we're going to have a quadratic in x, 9x squared minus 18x squared plus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 36x squared equals 3. 39 minus 18 is minus 9, plus 36 is 36 minus 9 is 27x squared, isn't it? 36 minus 9 is 3. So that tells us then x squared is equal to 3 over 27, which is 1 over 9 when you type it in the calculator. So x is equal to 1/3 or minus 1/3. When you square root both sides, we get a third and a minus third come out. So here's our two x coordinates then. So x equals 1/3, y is equal to, well, y is equal to 3x, so 3 of these is 1, or x equals minus 1/3, and y is equal to 3 of those, which is minus 1. So it's either of these coordinates are the points where dy dx is 0, and are the turning points. Find the coordinates of the two stationary points rather in this curve. There we go.